सेंट ज़ेवियर कॉलेज बेंगलुरु में एक कानूनी बेदारी वर्कशॉप का इनेकाद किया गया और ये वर्कशॉप इमाम अहमद रज़ा मूवमेंट और लाइट इंडिया फाउंडेशन के इश्तराक से मुनक़्क़द की गई। एडवोकेट अनवर अली और एडवोकेट सद्दाम बेग का इस वर्कशॉप के तहत माशरे में कानूनी पहलुओं से मुताल्लिक़ आगाही को बढ़ाना था। तलबा ने इस वर्कशॉप में अपने हुकूक़ के बारे में कीमती मालूमात हासिल की।
It was very good. We got to know about fundamentals. We got to know more about fundamental books, about what is fundamental constitution law. We got to know about Article 21, which sir spoke. We got to know about Article 1, Article 2, and much more about constitution, about the right of human rights. We got to know about democracy. We got to know. We got to know the basic human rights, what we know, what we should get as a human. We got to know much more about things about constitution. It was very helpful for us. We'll try to improve our knowledge about constitution, about India's constitution, and much more.
The program which was hosted by our college today, we came to know about the articles of constitution. The Article 1, it was about the identity of the citizens, and Article 5, we studied about the personal laws and general laws, and we studied about more about rights and equality.
This session we learned about the constitution. I got to know many rules which I was unaware about the legal, about how our constitution is, how we got our name and everything.
I came to know about the human rights, etc. I was not aware of these laws before.
All about laws and constitutions, which is very important for us to know, which we were unaware of it. Today we came to know that how important our rights are and what should follow it. We have learned many things in this program and we enjoyed a lot. We learned many new things about the constitution, about the freedom, everything we have learned, and we thanks for the St. Xavier College.
With respect to information is concerned, we enlightened some information with respect to Article 1, Article 5, Article 21, Article 19, which are the basic information pertaining to Constitution is concerned, and how the criminal jurisprudence works, so far as FIR, complaint, charge sheet are concerned. Those information, basic information we give to the students. To identify somebody, we have our identifications with respect to our documents are concerned. In the same way, the country has got its own identification, and that identification of India, Bharat, is prescribed in Constitution. And how it is being identified, by what measures it was identified as India and named as a Bharat, that was a prime concern today for today's session, to enlighten students so that they should know as to why this country was named as India, that is Bharat. Except India and Bharat, we do not have any other alternate name for this country.
तो हम दुआ करते हैं अल्लाह ताला इस कॉलेज के तमाम जिम्मेदारों को और तौफीक अता फरमाए।
मुख्तसर ये है कि कानून का सीखना लाजिम और ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि वो हमारा हक़ है। जब तक हम कानून नहीं सीखेंगे हम अपने हक़ का इस्तेमाल नहीं कर सकते। जालिम के ख़िलाफ़ आवाज़ उठाने के लिए कानून की मदद सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है। जब तक कानून नहीं सीखेंगे तो जालिम का कला कमा नहीं कर सकते। अपने हक़ को जानना चाहिए, ख़ास कर से मुल्क के हर नागरिक का हक़ है कि वो कानून सीखे, समझे और उस पर जो है अमल करे।
यहाँ पर लीगल अवेयरनेस, कानूनी जो मामलात रहते हैं उसको जो है यंग जनरेशन को जो है हम लोग उन तक पहुँचाना है कि कानूनी कार्रवाई करता है। वैसे तो हर तरह के प्रोग्राम्स होते हैं, इसमें हम लोग इसको भी शामिल किए ताकि जो है हालत हाजिरा के मद्देनज़र जो है बच्चों को ये भी लॉ के ताल्लुक से नॉलेज होना ज़रूरी है, इसलिए जो है हमने ये प्रोग्राम कंडक्ट किया।
Very useful for the students. Today the program was conducted in a college, that is St. Xavier's College, PU and Degree College, a legal awareness program. It was most useful for the students, and I would like to thank the Light Foundation who took this initiative, and I also like to thank management, the chairman, the secretary of the college, who always take some more the initiative of giving the awareness. Last time we had an anti-drugs program, and last 2 days before we had a women empowerment program, and today is continuously we are having this legal awareness program, and definitely this information is most useful. I also thank the person, the speaker, who came for the day, who spent some of the time by giving this information to a student. Definitely this will create a more impact on the student's future. I thanks everyone who were being a part of today's function.
It was actually fantastic. The initiative taken by the Imam Ahmad Raza Movement and the Light Foundation India, that this is the need for the hour. The student should know the law.